Processing. The holding pen's temperature and humidity controls stabilize to preset ranges, water misting nozzles run briefly, and the American
processing going on. The cleaned Crocodile is moved to a dedicated skinning table with perimeter gutters, and the tool set is staged. Scalpel.
Time prop.
After time salting, hides are unstacked, excess salt is shaken off into a catch tray, and each hide receives a tag showing lot number, size, and preliminary.
The first wet step loads hides into large stainless soaking drums with filtered water circulation and paddle rotation.
Processing. Surfactants and biocides dose through metering pumps. Drum temperature is held steady by jacketed water control and conditioning.
After soaking, the drum drains through screened outlets. Hides are lifted with smooth edge hoists, and the wet hides are
Processing. Remove fleshings fall into covered bins beneath the machine. The hide exits cleaner and more uniform.
Processing. The hide loads into a liming drum, where a controlled alkaline solution opens the fiber structure.
Liming time completes, the solution drains, and multiple rinse cycles reduce alkalinity, while pH probes confirm a step down toward the next conditioning stage.
Adding enzymes are introduced at controlled temperature, breaking down non-structural proteins to improve softness, while the hide remains protected through timed control. A final rinse clears enzymatic residues, and the hide is moved to pickling drums, where salt and acid set the hide.
Tanning agents as tanning agents are dosed into a dedicated tanning drum. The hide tumbles steadily.
When tanning is complete, the drum drains, and the hide is rinsed. Then neutralization chemicals are added to bring processing. The neutralized hide transfers to a dye drum, where mesh dye solutions circulate and
processing.
The wrung hide is stretched onto a framing system with adjustable clips, flattering the panel to reduce wrinkles while preserving scale definition.
Drained hides move into a controlled drying chamber, where airflow, temperature, and humidity are staged, so drying occurs evenly without edge curl.
Dried hides exit to a conditioning room, equilibrating to stable moisture content before mechanical softening, and tags remain attached at the frame corners. The coated leather passes through a conveyor dryer where warm filtered air cures the coating, and exhaust filters capture overspray to keep the booth clean.
Processing. Additional top coat layers are applied for gloss or matte targets, and cure cycles repeat until finished durability meets handling requirements.
Finished leather is stored on padded racks in a humidity-controlled room, separated by breathable interleaves to prevent finish blocking during storage. Adhesive is applied in thin layers using roller coaters or controlled brushes, and parts pass through a flash-off rack to reach tack before bonding.
Edge paint cures under warm air, then edges are lightly sanded again to level, and subsequent coats are applied for a smooth, rounded profile.
Processing. Stitch lines are marked using crease wheels and spacing guides, and holes are prepared with pricking iron.
Reinforced seams receive secondary stitching passes where required, and thread ends are heat set or tucked to keep interior finishes clean.
The zipper assembly is installed into the top opening using alignment jigs. Stitches run parallel to the zipper teeth.
Processing. Handle bases and strap tabs are positioned with templates, glue bonded, then stitched through reinforced.
Structural stiffeners are inserted into base panels, seated flush, and secured with hidden stitching so the bag retains a stable silhouette.
Processing. Bottom feet hardware is installed with washers and backing plates inside, torque is applied evenly, and alignment is confirmed against a placement template.
Edges are burnished with smooth rollers after final curing, and microfiber cloths remove any residue without leaving lint on the finish.
Processing. Stamped areas cool on flat plates, and the surface is inspected for clean edges and consistent depth without cracking the finish layer.
Processing. The bag is placed back onto a shaping form, gentle heat helps settle seams, and a short hold time stabilizes panel alignment and corner symmetry. Processing. Hardware function checks follow, including zipper glide, clasp engagement, buckle adjustment, and strap low pull tests performed on a calibrated fixture. Surface cleaning uses approved leather-safe wipes, and a conditioning cream is applied sparingly to maintain uniform sheen without residue buildup in scale grooves.
The handle alignment is perfect.
And the base width is exactly 30 centimeters.
Corner symmetry is checked using angle guides. Base flatness is measured on a granite reference surface, and any wobble is corrected by minor base adjustments.
A rigid presentation box is assembled, internal padding is positioned, and the dust bag product is seated so it cannot shift during handling.
Boxes are grouped into master cartons with corner protection, void fill is added to reduce movement, and cartons are sealed with reinforced tape.
Processing. Master cartons pass a check weigher to confirm expected packed weight, and any deviation reverts to an inspection lane for recount and correction.